Like it's kind of hot, but I like it.
Hey guys, this is a test. Ready? Oh, okay. Well, I'll just start. Okay.
And 5, 4, 3, 2.
Hi, welcome. So if you stumbled upon our page and you're wondering if you should get eyelash extensions and if you should get them, if you should get it at Yegi Beauty, then you are watching the right video. So I will tell you why you should pick us or why you should even get eyelash extensions. So first of all, eyelash extensions are amazing. I love them. I have them right now. Look. They look so pretty. But the reason why I love them is because, or reason why people love them is because they're stuck to your natural eyelashes. They're semi-permanent. They last 4 to 6 weeks and you could pretty much do anything. So after you get the service, there's no downtime, only 2 hours if people are using our glue or if you get them done at our salon, only 2 hours for them to fully dry. And then after that, you can pretty much go on with your life and do anything that you would normally do. You can go to the gym, you can go swimming, you can go to the beach, you can shower, you can do everything. So that's why I love them, that's why people love them, and the best part of it, they're just there. You don't have to, unlike strip lashes, you don't have to put them on, glue them off, buy new ones, you know, you just get them and they're there, and yeah. I mean, look how good they're stuck. I can literally like pull them, you see like how I'm pulling them? They don't come off. I hope they don't come off. No, they don't come off. That's how good they are stuck there. So you don't have to be scared that your makeup's gonna come off, your mascara is gonna run if you are showering or swimming. That makes them great, honestly. And of course, they enhance our eyes and our beauty. So even if we're not wearing any makeup, our face looks done up, okay? So it looks at least like there's something. We put some sort of an effort to get out and, you know, take on the world or whatever you may want to do that day, right? Another reason why you should pick one of the Yegi Beauty or Yegi Lashes trained artists is because we make sure that we're taking care of the health of your eyelashes. It's not only about them looking full, looking nice, looking perfect, it's also about maintaining the health of your natural eyelashes to ensure that after you're done with eyelash extensions, or if you want to keep them for years, you can go ahead and do that without damaging your natural eyelashes, okay? And that is, of course, very important to us. The way we make sure we pay attention to that is to make sure we don't put too much or too heavy or too thick or too long of an eyelash for your eyelashes if they can't support them. We also offer morning, noon, afternoon, evening appointments, even weekend appointments, and sometimes appointments outside of our regular hours to accommodate to you. So if you need anything, you basically reach out to us. We're here for you, and we'll be more than happy to make your lash experience the best one. All right, now that hopefully you're sold on why okay, restart. So now that hopefully you're sold on why eyelash extensions are amazing and that everybody should at least try them to see if it's right for them, let me tell you why you should pick us, or Yegi Beauty or Yegi Lash partners, anybody that uses our products or is trained by Yegi Lashes. It's because we literally do it with love, okay? We do, honestly, but there's a lot more reasons than just that. We do want to make sure you're satisfied and happy and you love lashes as much as we love lashes, but here you go. I'll list a few other reasons of why you should pick us. Honestly, getting your eyelash extensions done really should feel like a therapy session, a spa session. It is not painful, and we make sure that process is really nice and calming and relaxing and enjoyable for you. So we make sure you're comfortable in the bed. We give you extra cushions and pillows, and we offer champagne, of course, if you're over 21, before the service, so you can also relax, and tea, coffee, anything that we can give you to make your experience even better. We also guarantee our work. So for any reason, if you're not 100% satisfied, within 3 days of your service, you can come back and we'll make adjustments, touch them up, anything that we can do to basically guarantee your satisfaction with them. Okay.